Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So there's been too much complaint in the crypto community about high fees on Bitcoin network, high fees on Ethereum, transactions take too long to confirm. Now the reason is like that is because these guys don't want to tell you the truth. See guys, it's all politics. Let me prove to you why it's all politics. I'll give you a very good example. Now in 2007, JP Morgan called Bitcoin a fraud and said it's going to blow up. This was in 2017, right? Now, guess what happened in 2020? JP Morgan Chase starts accepting Bitcoin. The same guy that called Bitcoin a fraud several years ago. Now, why is he accepting Bitcoin now? It's just politics. These guys, they know the truth, but they would rather hold the truth from you, so you keep using their services until they are ready and they know how to make money from it. The same thing is happening in the crypto space. Now, what am I talking about? People are crying that they are paying too much fees. Why sending Bitcoin? Why sending Ethereum? Meanwhile, there are blockchains like EOS that has no transaction fee. Yeah, you heard me right. And your transactions get delivered within seconds. Now, let me show you an example. So Blocktivity is a website. By the way, Blocktivity looks good. They've actually done an upgrade on the website, and it's looking pretty awesome. Now, Blocktivity goes beyond the hype. There's too much hype on Bitcoin, too much hype on Ethereum. By the way, you see people talking about, hey, Ethereum is going to be massive. Ethereum is going to massive. Ethereum is going to beat. Of course, you know I'm not a hater of Ethereum. I have a group where I tell people which cryptocurrencies to buy. And one of the cryptocurrencies I tell them to buy is Ethereum. I myself I own Ethereum. You hear people say Ethereum is going to be this, Ethereum is going to be that. Now, guess what? Everything Ethereum is trying to achieve, EOS is currently doing that. EOS is the future Ethereum is trying to get to. Now, see, Blocktivity, as it says here, the real value of blockchains. Over the way, one way to consider blockchain projects is through its market cap. Another way closer to the real value. The real value is observing the activity on the blockchain. Lots of fraud. You see people saying stupid things about EOS. Lots of fraud and hype are responsible for misplaced capital in the cryptocurrency space, and that is the truth. Now, look at the proof here. Now, as you can see, EOS is handling over 65 million transactions. Over 65 million transactions. Now, let's see how many transactions Tron is handling. Just 1 million transactions. Bitcoin is handling just 800,000 transactions. Ethereum is handling just 700,000 transactions. Right? So now, let's see the market cap of EOS. EOS is doing so much. Let's see the market cap.
It's 8
Just
o'clock.
200 and okay, this is 2.4 million dollars. Hope that is correct. And then let's see Ethereum, the guys that are doing less, 23. This is 169 billion. This should be 23 billion, and this should be 2 billion. Yeah, 2.4 billion. So EOS is doing so much for so less. That is what Blocktivity is trying to let you know. Now let's go down to the charts. Okay, before we go down, as you can see, Ethereum is handling over, is using, okay, no worry, we'll talk about that later. Look at the chart. EOS is handling over 91% of the transactions in the entire crypto space. That means if you look at the number of transactions that is going on around the world in cryptocurrency world, EOS is handling 91% of it. But how many people are talking about EOS today? Just few. Just few. Why is it so? It's pure politics, like I told you. You see what JP Morgan did? He called it a fraud, and then when he was ready, he said he started accepting Bitcoin. The same thing is happening in crypto space. Now you might ask yourself, okay, so how do I make transaction with EOS? So I've done a video here to teach you how to create, where is it? How to create an EOS account using blocks.io. Blocks.io is an online, is the block explorer and also a wallet. So this is what blocks.io look like. So I'm going to do a very fast experiment to show you how to send transaction on EOS. Now, first of all, you need to have scatter. I've also done a video to teach you how to use scatter. So these are the different wallets I have here on scatter. So now let's send a transaction on EOS and see how fast it is. So as you can see, I created my account 2 years ago, and also something you need to note: EOS has human readable addresses. So if you want to send EOS to your son, or want to send cryptocurrency to your son, the normal way is to look out for addresses. The addresses, they usually start with X, blah 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 blah. Too many words you cannot understand. But with EOS blockchain, if your son's name is David, you can actually get your son's name and send money to your son super fast and easy. So you can send money to human readable addresses. Guys, this is blockchain that is ready for the future. So let's see how to send cryptocurrency with the EOSIO blockchain. Now, of course, the EOSIO has several forks, several blockchains that has been forked out of it. I have an article on that lists all the different blockchains that is using the EOSIO software. EOSIO is open source software, and then these are the different chains that came out of EOSIO. So I need to log into my account right now. So I'm going to use this account. As you can see, it's written here. That means I've logged in with my owner account. Now I'm going to show you between in another video difference between owner account, active account, and the rest. But today we want to see how to send a transaction. So I told you EOSIO has no transaction fees. So now we want to send EOS. Now let's send EOS to Humane Love IO. You can see how beautiful this is. How beautiful. You can send cryptocurrency to an human readable address. Just on Bitcoin and Ethereum, you can only send cryptocurrency to addresses that you cannot memorize. What if you are in a very desperate situation and you need cryptocurrency really fast? What do? And you cannot memorize your Bitcoin or Ethereum address. That's a big problem. So I want to send just 0.5 EOS, and memo is take care. Okay, let's call it free transactions. Free transactions. Hope I know how to spell. Yep, that's it. And now I want to send. Now, what do I have in my account? I have 15 points. Okay, let me send just a whole number. Let me send one full EUS. So what do we have here? We have 15.6. So transfer is transferring. As you can see, no place for transaction fee. You see, there is no transaction fee stated. That's because there's no hidden fee, no fee at all. So once you try using that with scatter, so let me explain everything you're seeing here. So on the EOS, every transaction has several transactions on it. That is why if you go to Blocktivity, you will notice they don't use transaction. Transaction is TX. They use operations rather. Operations, and then some of them you see transactions. Okay, there's no transaction here. So operation means that in a blockchain you can have several transactions in a transaction. Oh, where's our transaction we're trying to? Where is it? Oh my god. Okay, this is it. Now, in order to send a cryptocurrency, it's taking two actions. So the one action is to create the transaction, while the other one is to send. But it's way more technical than I just said. So now here's the detail. So remember I told you that transactions are free on the EOS blockchain. So as you can see, free CPU from Blocks.io. That means I'm not paying a transaction fee. This blockchain explorer is taking care of what is supposed to be the fee. Right? Now let's move on. So I'm sending one EOS, and I can whitelist this account so that I can send. I don't need to do this confirmation anymore. So I'm going to click allow. So okay, success. As you can see, it has reduced by one, exactly one, no transaction fee. What I had before was 15.6. Now I have 14.6. No single transaction fee. Now, as you can see, I sent it to Humane Love, right? Now, let's go to Humane Love and see if Humane Love has actually received this cryptocurrency. Now, scroll down to receive. Okay. Yeah, 1.1. It has entered 1.4 because I had just less than one EOS there, and I'm wondering why it's not showing on this block explorer. Okay, maybe it's my network or something. So as you can see, it has been received into the account because what I had here, the previous balance was, it's taking so much time to load. Okay, guess it's my network. Now, guys, this everything I'm showing here is on the blockchain. You can actually come online, come to block.io, check these transactions I just did. They're super fast and no transaction fees. Right, so I think my network, it's just slowing down the whole thing. That is why I just keep loading. So if you want to start making free and fast transactions, start using EOS. All right. That's all I have for you guys today. Please do make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video. All right. So see ya.